Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with an order from, I purchased this through Coco Daisy, but it is from Becca Cortez, the Happily Ever Crafter. And many of you know I went to her week conference, and it was so good. And she had a few of these. I guess she'd had them. You know, they're really pretty. The boxes are so pretty. I just want you to see, and then I'm going to set it down and pull everything out. But she had some of these, and then all of a sudden, I guess she didn't. And so I don't know if she worked with Christine at Coco Daisy or what happened, but all of a sudden it was there on a special kind of deal that they had going, and I thought, okay, yeah, let's give it a try. So it says, thank you. Yay, your box has arrived. I'm so excited for you to try all these goodies out. It's a dream come true for me to get this into your hands, and I hope you love it. And then XOXO Becca. And of course, it's Becca Cortez. So, and here it says, okay, you've got the tools, now go create. So these are some of her favorite tools, if I remember correctly. And during the conference week that Becca did, and again, she's Happily Ever Crafter, she also gave some of these kits away, and we were all drooling over them. And as somebody who went to every little thing, I was just like, oh, yes. So anyways, lots of fun. I highly recommend it next year. Yeah, I do. She brought in some really brilliant people. So she has her stamp, and I know it's black. I'm not even going to pull it out. She also has her font for the days of the week. Isn't that pretty? And then a to-do. Super pretty. Yes. And then she has a binder clip that's kind of black, and I don't know, it kind of has a, I guess it's black. Maybe it's just the way the light was catching it. So love that binder clip. And then I think this is a stamping block. I cannot remember. I mean, it's been a long time since I did all that. I should just say there's a lot that's happened in between. I can't remember what this is. I think this is a stamping block. Okay, I'm going to leave that alone. When I find out, I'll research it before I load this video, and I'll put down below. Okay, so midliners, some really pretty colors. So the pink, the kind of periwinkle, the mint. There's kind of a brownish taupe, and then a light gray. Very pretty. Her ruler, Happily Ever Crafter. Super cute. Don't forget, and I believe these are sticky notes, if I remember right. I think these are sticky. Yes, they are. Super fun. Whoops. Okay. So, also a white jelly roll and a micron, and this one is a point, or it's an 05. So super nice micron, and yep, I think it's black. Hold on. Is it black? Yeah, archival ink. Let me be sure. Well, maybe we test it. How's that? Be with me. Yeah, that's black. I don't know why. I guess the color lighting in here right now is so off. Okay, so there are those. And then she also has these other fun little markers. And I can't remember what size tips these have. And of course, she has bright pink, which makes me totally happy. And these are by Zebra, which I love Zebra. So let me see. I'm trying to see if it has any give. No, they're just nice pointed markers. All right, super nice. Alrighty. And then she has, it looks like a gray and a black in there. Super fun. She does have these, which I really wanted one of these. These are great for when you're journaling and you need a stencil of some sort, and you know you're just gonna, you try to draw it, you may not get it, but okay, so there's this practice for her letters and her numbers. Super fun. And then look at this. Isn't that fun? And then your checklist and all of that. And your dots. Super fun. Super fun. Okay, 2 different washies, so I love that. You can color it in or you don't have to. And then just that really pretty robinette blue. And then she also has her little bag that you can put everything in. Super fun. Your pens. Okay. And then another micron. This is a 0.8, and it is black. So really nice. Let's see here. This is a, oh, yay. So it's a notebook to have fun in. That's what it is. Use it for lettering. All the paper's different. That is brilliant, and that is not expensive to make. The paper has a phenomenal feel to it. It says, I'm so excited to play around in this notebook. I'm so excited for you to play around in this notebook. You'll find a dot grid pages, blank pages, craft paper, and black pages. And also you can experiment with different styles and tools within one book. I've also included some unfinished floral doodles for you to complete and play with, as well as a few of my favorite alphabets and traceables at the back for your reference. I'd love to see your creations. Make sure you tag me on Instagram at the Happy Ever Crafter. Sorry. Ugh. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Okay, hold on. Are these rub-ons? Yes, they're rub-ons. So pretty. All right, so that again is from the Happy Ever Crafter, and she's on YouTube. I think she's on Instagram. I was trying to think all the places where she is, but she's really talented, sweet gal. Becca Cortez, and this is just a whole lot of goodie. Oh, this is a 0.1. I missed that. So I have a 0.1, a 0.5, and a 0.8. Ah, neat. Okay, and yeah, I think that is going to be way much fun. Okay, friends, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're interested, go over to Coco Daisy or go to Becca's places in social media and see where you can find one. And again, I got mine through Coco Daisy. All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. Leave a comment below if you've gotten this kit or if you've used any of these items, and tell me what is your favorite thing. All right, friends, have a great day. Be safe, and I will be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.